Listen, these shoes. Pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Listen, I could actually fight with this. These shoes are a killer, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Style the Body. Hope you guys are doing good. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this channel. On this channel, it's all about lifestyle, beauty, fashion, travel, and a lot more. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you stick around. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so grateful for you guys. We just hit 10K followers this month, yeah. So I'm super excited. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. I'm super happy. I'm super grateful for the next step, the next level. I'm super excited to do this video. Even though, like, I don't know if you guys could tell, my camera is really acting up. Everything is like blurred out. So everything is like, it's blurring a lot of stuff out. So I don't know what I did with it, with the settings. But hopefully I'm able to figure it out and it doesn't affect the video so much. But yeah, this video is going to be an unboxing, birthday haul. My birthday's this month, so I'm super excited. My birthday's the end of the month, so I'm super excited. I've been shopping because, you know, of course, being extra as usual, and I'm gonna travel as well. So I've been doing a little bit of shopping, you know, checking stuff off my wish list, and so let's get right into it. Super excited to show you guys some of the stuff that I got. Some of these items have been on my wish list for like a very long time, so I'm super excited to finally have it. So let's start with the first thing that has been on my list, and I got this from eBay. Shout outs to eBay. So I love a tote bag, and I've been looking for a tote bag, a Goyard tote bag, and I finally got this one because, you know, I like to travel and I always want a big bag like this. I have my Louis Vuitton Never Full, which is done. I've had that bag for over 10 years. The strings are it's somewhere. I would have showed you. The strings are like all messed up. It's literally broken, so I needed a new tote bag. And I got this one. Super cute. Yes, I love the color. So yeah, this is a perfect travel bag. You know what I'm saying? I am so obsessed with this. And like I said, I got it from eBay. What it is I love eBay because I was looking and I'm like, it's pre-loved. I realized that a lot of the stores do actually sell this pre-loved, so this is perfect because I got this for a very good price on eBay, and they authenticate it for you. So shout outs to eBay. If you're buying something, look, every time I'm looking for something I can't find it, I will go on eBay. Like, I'm not even gonna lie. And make sure to check for the blue mark, and that's what's gonna tell you when you order the stuff. The seller is gonna ship it to eBay. eBay is gonna authenticate it. And then they're gonna ship it to you. So it comes like this. It came in the eBay dust bag, and it also came with the Goyard dust bag. So that's perfect. I get 2 dust bags. I am so obsessed with this. Like, this is I don't know what size this is, but it's pretty big. Of course, it's pre-loved. Condition is pretty new. As you can see, the condition is great. I am so obsessed with it. I'm gonna show you guys the authentication card from eBay. I don't know if you guys could see, but yeah, it tells you the bag. So this is what the card looks like. It tells you the name, authenticity guarantee. Oh, it says tap card to view your NFC enabled phone. Oh, tap card to your NFC enabled phone to view your authentication details. So it tells you all that. Yeah, I'm so obsessed with it. I finally have a perfect travel bag. Oh, I love it. And then, oh, so this is the inside. It's not bad at all. It is not bad. It comes with this little pouch. Because some of the ones I saw were really pretty not neat inside. This isn't bad at all. It comes with a little pouch. The little pouch like this, wallet, whatever you want to call it. For, you know, your cards, money, whatever. Yeah, so I love the size and everything. I'm so obsessed with this. The color. Initially I wanted a black, but when I saw this color, I was like, yeah, this is me. This is absolutely me, okay? This is perfect. Not even just for travel, for work, whatever. You know, it could fit a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so next up, let's get the bags out of the way. So I have two bags. I'm gonna show you guys the bags, get the bags. So I'm gonna show you the second item. The second item. I am so obsessed. So the second item I've been eyeing is the Lady Dior mini. I've been wanting this bag forever. Like I said, some of these stuff have been on my wish list. And I'm so excited to finally have it. I've already unboxed it because, you know, I couldn't wait. Okay, I couldn't wait. But look, guys, look at her, guys. Oh my god, I am obsessed. Okay, how beautiful is she? It comes with the strap, which I've already attached. So I got this from the Dior store in Soho, and this is like one of the fall colors. It was so hard picking a color, but I fell in love with this green. This is like a perfect fall color. The patent leather, I'm obsessed. Okay, I am so obsessed with it. How cute is she? Yes, I know it can't fit a lot. Probably gonna do a separate video of what fits inside, but yeah, super cute. This is definitely coming with me on my birthday trip. So yeah, I had to get her. Even though I was actually, because I'm going to Paris, so I was actually trying to see if I would wait to get it when I get there, but I was like, you know what, fuck it. Like, I couldn't stop thinking about it. Okay, because I think I probably would have gotten it cheaper in Paris, but I don't know, you never. So the camera is blurring it out, but this is the pine green patent calf skin. I am so obsessed. The size and everything, I love the size. They have like a really smaller one which could barely fit anything, and I feel like the big ones too are too much. This is perfect. You know, this is like a really classy bag. You can't go wrong with this. Love, 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 love it. Okay guys, next up we have my birthday shoes. I've been wanting these shoes. So these are from Amina Madi. I think that's how you pronounce it. I got it from Matches Fashion. So here's the trick. I actually got these on sale, and then I shipped it to my sister's place in Jersey because the taxes to New York were ridiculous. So if you ship it to Jersey, there's no taxes. So this was This was great. Let me show you guys what I got. How cute. So this is the color. So this is the color that I got. How cute is this, guys? Super, super cute. The camera is blurring it out, but let me bring it closer. Oh, this is perfect. I love the heel. The heel is not too much. So they have higher ones, so I feel like this is perfect. So I got a size 41. I don't know if you guys can see. The color and everything is perfect. Funny thing, my friends actually convinced me to get this because they all got a pair and we're all traveling together. So I was like, you know what? Fine, I'll get a pair. We could be matchy-matchy. We could be matchy-matchy. But yeah, I've actually had this on my list, so I'm glad that I got them. And they were actually on sale on matches.com. Fit them here. Yeah, I think it works up there. Okay, moving on. Let's move on to the next. Guys, so next up is another pair of shoes. This is from the brand Darari. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but we're gonna get into it. I got these from when it's a porter or whatever you want to call it. Guys, these listen, these shoes, pray for me, guys. Pray for me. Listen, I could actually fight with this. These shoes are a killer, okay? But I love them still. When I put my feet in these, I was high, like, listen. But they're platforms, so it's not too bad. I got a size 41. This was actually on sale for like half off, so I had to grab them. One thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna find me a sale because I've had these on my list as well. When I saw them, I said yes. And the hot pink, initially I didn't really want a pink because I feel like I have too many pink shoes, but these are perfect. Okay guys, let's move on to let's move on. I think I have one more pair of shoes to show you guys. So far this is not gonna be a long video. It's also been on my list, okay? It's also been on my list for a long time. They are Isabel Marant. Okay, I love this brand. For some reason I don't have anything from them. So when I saw these, baby, this would be perfect for my vacation. I'm going to Morocco as well. My birthday. Oh, guys, this is not everybody's cup of tea, okay? This is not everybody's gonna love this, but I do, okay? These are some rope sandals, perfect for vacation. Like that, you know what I'm saying? Oh, they're heavy too. This rope sandals, whatever you want to call it, I got a size, I believe it's a size 41. They are the Isabel, they are the braided raffia sandals, okay? It's like tie-ups. They comes in different colors. I think I've seen a purple, not different colors, but I've seen a purple. Okay, I love this so much. So cute. They're actually pretty heavy, but it's not that bad. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys are gonna love this video. Leave me comments, let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm gonna try to leave most of the stuff linked down below if I find them. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like, share. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, I love you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned for the birthday shenanigans. Follow me on Instagram at Style the Body. I'm gonna leave it down below. I love you guys. Bye.